So, I have to be honest. I only signed up for IT class because my mom made me. She caught me gaming and said I might as well learn something useful. I couldn't exactly argue with that.
And yet here you are, which means something in that first lesson must have caught your attention.
Yeah, actually. You walked in, put down that coffee mug, the one that said root access only, and asked who thought they knew how computers work. Half the class put their hands up. I didn't.
And why not? You use a computer every day.
Exactly. Using something and understanding it are completely different things. I knew how to drive the car. I had no idea how the engine worked.
That's actually a pretty sharp observation for day one. That's the whole point of this course. We're going to open the bonnet together, and I promise you, what's inside is a lot less mysterious than it looks.
You also said that every concept in computing is just a real-world idea wearing a different outfit. That one stuck with me.
Good, because that's the lens we're going to use for everything. Computers aren't magic. They're logical systems built by people, and once you see the logic, you can't unsee it.
10 weeks, 10 topics, and by the end, we'd understand how the entire school network actually works. I remember thinking, that sounds impossible.
And now
I know it wasn't. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Week 1, hardware. You walked in carrying a desktop PC tower like it was a loaf of bread.
And then I handed everyone a screwdriver, which is, I'll admit, not a conventional way to start a class.
The look on Darius's face was priceless. He looked at that computer like it might bite him.
Some people have that reaction, but the best way to understand what's inside a computer is to actually open one up and look. No amount of diagrams replaces the real thing.
I think that's what I want people to take from this whole course, honestly. It's not about memorizing definitions. It's about actually getting it, feeling like it makes sense.
Exactly. So let's start at the beginning. Week 1, the guts of a computer, the computer hardware.